Very good morning. Today I am starting with the list in Python. Previous topic we have already covered string in a Python. Now what is list? In a one variable which you are assigning number of element with the different data type, that is called list. So let us continue. List manipulation, creating and accessing list operation we can do, working with the list, and list function and method will apply in a list. This topic will be covered. First, what is list? So list क्या है? Right? List is a container. What is list? It is a container that are used to store a list of value of any type. Any type means any other data type. See, you can store a integer type, you can store a float type, you can store a string type, different data type in a one variable you can store, that is called list. It is always start with a square bracket, remember it. And list is a mutable data type. List क्या है? It is a mutable data type है. Mutable means any value which you are assigning in the list, that is a changeable. You can modify it. Modify means mutable. So we can change the value in place without creating a fresh list. जो previous content होगा उसी को आप modify कर सकते हैं without creating a new list. So another list is a type of सीक्वेंस. लिस्ट एक टाइप का डेटा टाइप है, सीक्वेंस डेटा टाइप है, लाइक टपल एंड स्ट्रिंग. स्ट्रिंग की तरह है, बट स्ट्रिंग वी कांट चेंज द वैल्यू. इन अ लिस्ट वी कैन चेंज. स्ट्रिंग इज अ इम्यूटेबल एंड लिस्ट इज अ म्यूटेबल. लिस्ट हमारा म्यूटेबल चेंजेबल है, मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं कोई भी वैल्यू लिस्ट के अंदर, बट इन द differ than in a way that lists are mutable but string and tuples are immutable. String and tuple क्या है? Immutable है. String and tuple में जो भी वैल्यू होगा उसको मॉडिफाई नहीं कर सकते. जो आपने असाइन कर दिया that value remain same. नेक्स्ट, क्रिएटिंग एंड एक्सेसिंग लिस्ट. लिस्ट के अंदर कैसे लिस्ट को कैसे क्रिएट करना है, कैसे एक्सेस करना है. लिस्ट आर क्रिएटेड यूजिंग अ स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. रिमेंबर, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, नॉट अ नॉर्मल ब्रैकेट. You have to create list with a square bracket. And some of the example of list are, see, this is a square bracket. This is a called empty variable with this type of square bracket will be create a empty list. And you can assign a numbers like a 1 comma 2 comma 3 in a square bracket. It is called list of integer. And also you can assign like this 10 comma 20 comma 13 0.75 100.5 90. This is also integer and float value, both integer it is taking integer and float value. Then we can assign a string value with a single quotation or double quotation, that is red, green and blue, which is enclosed in a single quotation and double quotation. It is called string in a list. And also you can assign the value like this. This is a number, name, and these all value in a mixed value in a list. So also A, B, C, D, any characters you can assign with a single quotation and double quotation. It is called list. You can create list like this with the variable name, with the assigning with the square bracket, all the values separated with the comma. So to create a list in the following syntax, you need to follow the first name, last name, any variable name you can give. Here I have given last name equal empty, or last name equal value 1, value 2, value 3. In a square bracket you can assign a value. For example, just I have given a family equal father, comma mother, comma bro, comma sister. So these all values are assigned to family. Now student equal one is a roll number, name, class. These are a admission number. Any value you can assign as a you can assign a marks over there. So this is also multiple. See, one is a integer, another is a string. This is also a string type. This is a integer type. So multiple data type it can assign in a single variable. Otherwise, what you need to be different variable आपको define करना पड़ता. Then you have to assign a value. This is the advantages of list. In a single variable we can assign a multiple values. इसके अंदर हम multiple value assign कर सकते हैं. The above construct so here to create a list in the following sequence, last name equal this is the empty list, and you can assign a last name equal value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3. You can create like this. Also you can write a family. This is a family is the name of the variable, just like a similarly your roll number, name. Similarly family is the name of the list equal father in a double quotation comma mother in a double quotation comma brother is a double quotation in a sister in a double quotation. In a square bracket you can assign a value. See, there are four values assigned to the family. So this is a how you can create. This is a string type all the values. And now this is another example of student. Here it is a roll number 1, name, comma, class, and this is a these are a different types. These are a different types which is assigning to the one variable. So the above construct is known as a list. Above construct is known as a list display constant. Now consider the more examples. See, empty list. How to create an empty list? L equal square bracket. This is a how to create a list. Also, you can create a L equal list. This is also same empty list. How to create a empty list. So I am sharing a screen so that you can do practical. So here I am assigning the just like a student. This I need to write in a small. Student is a name just like a one list name equal in a square bracket. See, I am writing double quotation Ramandeep Singh. I am closing it, comma, in a double quotation I am writing Sadesh, double quotation close, and I am writing Niharika. So this list, this is a list. See, I have written in a Ramandeep Singh in a double quotation. This is a one type of string value. This is another value. This is another value. When I press enter, I'll write a student. All the values which contain in a student list will be displayed. Similarly, you can assign multiple data type in it. See, I am writing here roll number 10. This is a one value. Class I am writing now 11. So that I am separating with the comma. Now Ramandeep Singh. So you can write another value like any numbers. So these are values, and when you assign this, write a student. See, these value will be displayed. So it has a different data type. See, we can write a string value, we can write a multiple value assigned to the, see, it is a string type, it is also string type, and these numbers. I can also assign a float type. See, I am assigning here float data type 9.5, and this is a float data type. So these, it can take integer value, string value, as well as float. Any data type you can assign in a list. So when I write this, it will display. When I check the value, what is list, what is student, I have to check student किस type का data type है. So what it will display? So it is a list type. So I have written a spelling wrong. That's why it is showing type. It will display a list. See here. So it will display a list. If you are assigning same variable with the any assigning a value, that will display the particular type. So this empty list also we can create. This previous example I have given a value. Now you can create a empty list also. And long list also, number of बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स को भी आप लिस्ट में असाइन कर सकते हैं. हाउ? L equal, these are a value, so long value separated with the comma. 1, 2, 44, 55, all the values separated with the comma, which is assigned to L. These. So when you run this, all the value will be displayed, which is in a list. And now another is a nested list. अब nested list क्या है? लिस्ट के अंदर ही जो हम एक और लिस्ट बनाएंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड नेस्टेड लिस्ट. सी हियर L इक्वल 1 2 4, दिस इज अ 1. अब इसके 1 2 4 के अंदर क्या है? दिस इज अ 100 200 300 comma 20. So this will call nested list within a list. एक लिस्ट के अंदर ही दूसरी लिस्ट हम यूज कर रहे हैं. It is called nested list. In the above code, we'll create a list L with the 5 elements. How many elements are here? 1 2 3 4 5. This is a 1. 5 element, because it will count 100 200 and 300 as one element. ये क्या, इस कैसे काउंट करेंगे? This will be in a one element. Now L3 is a list of 3 elements. And next 1 2 3, फर्स्ट लिस्ट में कितने एलिमेंट्स है? 3. दिस विल काउंट एज अ 1. टू प्रिंट वी राइट विद द कॉलन. कॉलन हमें लिखना है. एनी एलिमेंट्स वी कैन रिट्रीव विद द by using slashing. L1 it will be displayed to, and print 200 we have to write a L3 colon 1. It will third index of a second value will be displayed. So from this is a 0, this is a 1, this is a 2. If you write 2, third element from a third list will be displayed. ये 3, what is it? This is a third list of the element. If you write 1, second element will be displayed. If you write 2, third element from a third list will be displayed. So I hope you will understand this all topics and other function of list. There are so many inserting element, appending element. We'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.